So pelvic pressure, or the sensation of feeling like something's falling out, is actually a fairly common symptom for women. Most commonly it starts after childbearing and as people are getting into the 30s, 40s, 50s and beyond. Having said that, it's not usually something that is an emergency, but it is something that you should go in and see your gynecologist soon, within the next couple of days or next week or two, just to get checked and make sure everything's okay and there isn't something more serious going on. At the time that you see the gynecologist, usually what they're going to do is just figure out what's causing these symptoms. Make sure there isn't something else that's contributing to the symptoms and the discomfort that you're experiencing, bladder infections or something like that. But once they determine that there isn't something along those lines going on, the most common thing that causes these kind of symptoms is really something called pelvic floor prolapse, which is, in a less technical term, is really more just a hernia that's occurring through the vagina as opposed to an abdominal wall or tummy or something like that. For us at Beaver Dam Women's Health, the focus on these kinds of pelvic floor problems is a major part of our practice. Our focus really is on trying to incorporate and work with you for what works best to solve this problem. For some people, as we've discussed in the past, surgery may be a great approach. For other people, surgery is not something that would work well for them, and a non-surgical approach may be the best. We're really trying to find what's optimal for you and what fits best into your life and what works best for you. Regardless of that, we have the skills to approach it from all aspects. And whether or not you've had treatment done in the past and it's not worked well for you and you need to have something done now to correct or to facilitate what's occurred in the past, or whether it's the first time you've tried to address with this, the whole spectrum of these problems are things that we are very expert at dealing with.